Okay, good day, guys. Good day to you all. Welcome back to the Formula Sports channel. Thanks for being here. Thanks for the support. Just a gentle reminder, kindly asking you guys to please like the video and subscribe to the channel as it is a free way to support the channel. So now, yesterday, as many of you would have known by now, the Old Firm derby was played between Rangers and Celtics. And the Old Firm derbies is a big game. It's always a big deal when Rangers and Celtics play in Scotland. But of course, you guys know that the main reason why I'm talking about this is not particularly because Rangers and Celtics played, but because one Kemar Roof was in action, right? And of course, you guys know that Kemar Roof will be suiting up for us soon and very soon. So the game finished 4-1. It was a very open game for long periods and a lot of goalmouth action. And surprisingly, Celtics were very good, right? And I say surprisingly because they went down. They went a man down very early in the game, right? In the 26th minute, a midfielder of theirs picked up a second yellow card and, got ejected. But surprisingly, Celtics held their own. Throughout the game, they were very competitive. Even despite being a man down, they were very, very competitive throughout the entire game. They fought and they fought well. They fought well and held their own. Despite playing majority of the game with only 10 men. And they still managed to have 48% of the possession and a total of 12 shots. So overall, the game was very open and a very entertaining game. Now, Roof himself had a very good game, right? A very good game, as evidenced by his 8.6 rating for this particular game, right? And this performance was capped by two well-taken goals. And I'm telling you, I watched this game and Roof barely put a foot wrong, if any at all. Right? If any at all. I mean most of the times Roof was playing very well. He barely put a foot wrong, if any at all, in this one. Linked up well with those around him, made good runs, right? In behind, and also to come deep. He came deep a lot of the times and assisted in the build-up play. Good runs and good positioning from Roof in this particular game. Always found himself in some good positions. But most importantly for Roof in this game, he found himself in the box and on the end of balls into the box and got two goals as a result of this, right? The first goal was an excellent goal, right? A very well taken goal. It was a shot at goal, but it was an excellent reaction from Kemar Roof. It came to him very quickly. I don't think it was on target. I don't think the shot was on target. It looked as if it was going wide. But it was a shot. It came at Roof very quickly at a very awkward height. And he just guided it into the bottom corner with his chest. Right? It was just brilliant. I mean, when you even watch the replay, he was unbalanced as well. Right? He was unbalanced and he still managed to guide it, to just use his chest and just guide it into the bottom corner of the net. Excellent instincts and excellent skill, right? Excellent instincts and skill from Kemar Roof. It was a very well taken goal from Roof. So a very good and a very big game for Kemar Roof to be scoring two goals in the Old Firm derby. The second one was a good header as well. It was a free header. He passed the ball out wide and then made a run into the box. And it was a free header. And he got on the end of that cross and found the bottom corner. So two well taken goals, but especially the first one was just a sight to behold. So again, a very big game for Kemar Roof in this one. Two goals in the Old Firm derby, no joke. So it's been a very good season for both himself and Rangers. And obviously, that game yesterday got a little better for them both, right? The first season since the year 2000 that Rangers have gone unbeaten against Celtics for an entire season. So that's a big deal. And Roof himself has had his challenges this season, missed a couple of games this season for various reasons. But overall, it has been a very good campaign for Roof. 12 goals in 22 matches in the Scottish Premiership, playing in a number of different positions. Right? Those are good stats. Right? That is actually a goal in less than 2 games. That's a goal every 1 point odd game. So that's very good stats. And as I say, he has accumulated those stats playing in multiple positions. Winning the Scottish Premiership, long in advance. Everybody knew that they had won it for quite some time, but it was officially, mathematically impossible with a number of games left to go in the season. So that just shows their dominance right there this season. And they have also had their bumps along the way as well. I'm sure that Scottish Cup exit to St. Johnstone would have hurt, right? I'm sure that wasn't an easy pill to swallow, and they would have been very disappointed by that, right? But in my estimation, guys, the biggest accomplishment that Roof and Rangers could have this season is if they were to go invincible and finish the season unbeaten in the league. Guys, they have not lost one game in the entire league season so far. They have been defeated in the Europa League and the Scottish Cup, but they have not lost a game this season. Right? And obviously, that is no joke. That is absolutely no joke. I mean, it's one thing to win the league and win it, well in advance. Right? I mean, from about Christmas, everybody knew that Rangers was going to win the league. But it's another thing entirely to do it and not lose a single game. Right? It's a feat that has rarely been achieved in Scotland, guys. It has only ever been done 3 times. Right? 3 times it has been done, twice by Celtics and once by Rangers. Right? And the last time Rangers did it was in 1898 to the 99 season. Right? Let me repeat that. The first and last time, the only time Rangers has ever done it was in the 1898 to 99 season, over 100 years ago. Right? So currently Rangers have 2 more games to go in the league against Livingston, Tappa's former club. Livingston, Tappa played for Livingston back in the day, and Aberdeen. Right? So those are the 2 games remaining for Rangers in the season. And overall this season they have played 36 games in Scotland and have won 30 and drawn 6. Right? 30 games they have played. No, 36 games they have played rather. And they have won 30 out of them and drawn 6. Right? You do the maths, you realize that they have not had one single loss all season. So this is a very big deal, and I'm sure they would want to equal Celtics, because Celtics have done it twice. Rangers have only ever done it once. So I'm sure Rangers would want to equal Celtics' feat. Right? And Celtics have done it as recently as the 2016-2017 campaign. So, a big deal. If this could happen for both, you can imagine, Kemar Roofe would be so proud to say that he was an invincible in the Scottish Premiership. That's a big deal for both himself and the club. And it's a big deal for even Jamaica as well, to have a player playing at such a big club like Rangers, and a club that is going invincible. To have a reggae boy that has played in an invincible season in a top tier league in Europe is a big deal. And obviously Roofe has not just played, but he has done very well as well. So I am hoping that Rangers can win these two final games, at the very least draw them. I mean, who cares if they draw the two final games, man, as long as they don't lose. So we can say that we had a reggae boy who went invincible in the Scottish Premiership. So fingers crossed, and we'll keep tabs on this one to see if Rangers don't lose against Livingston and Aberdeen. Okay, guys. That's my 2 cents. Take care. Enjoy the rest of your day. Stay safe. A gentle reminder again to please like the video and subscribe to the channel. And until next time.